What do you think's inside?
Viva.
That's the sticker, I know, I showed you. What else do you see on it?
Truck.
A truck. Do you see any crabs?
Hi, elbow.
Here, turn it around. And I bet there's something inside for you. Gotta reach inside and pull it out.
No. Daddy.
It's an alligator?
Yeah.
Should we put him on your crock?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to put him on the crock with the crab on it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put him on there. Mommy can do it for you. Okay, here, I'll do it for you.
Yeah.
Is there another one in there? What else is in there? Anything else? What else is it?
Oh. 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 Oh, Molly.
What?
Oh, oh.
What is it? Let me see.
Buddy.
Is it a doggy?
Yeah.
Okay, say thank you, Grandma.
You do.
Thank you. Can you blow her a kiss?
Mwah.
That was nice. Okay.